We spent a lot of time researching different boat designs and how each would benefit our goals. Once we decided on the California hull with sponsons, we made a model of the boat on Inventor. There we decided the exact dimensions of the boat and made it look how we imagined. The next step was to take cross-sections from each 1-foot section of the boat to start the process of shaping the boat out of styrofoam. With the templates, we cut out wooden models to guide our carving of the boat. At the beginning of this process, we made a large styrofoam block that would eventually come down to be our boat. We are currently smoothing the foam to our exact specifications. While this was all happening, another team was working on our solar panels, getting them ready for mounting. We attached 2 large ball and socket joints on each panel to allow them to follow the sun. After we perfect the mold, we are planning to layer carbon fiber on it to make our boat.